A very warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are here to tell you about a love spell that is very powerful, accurate, immediately giving result spell. This spell is very powerful and you don't have need much ingredients for this spell, and this is very easy spell. This spell is giving you result very fast and accurate. Most of people at this time using this spell. This spell is very private. Don't tell anyone that you are using this spell, because if you tell anyone it will not give you result, because this is very private and secret spell. In this time sometimes we see the two people are rivals, they hate each other, but instant after some day they become good friend and they are living with together. So before this spell, I would like to tell you about what ingredients you required for this spell. You have to take a honey box, marker, a matchbox, a white candle, and a plain paper. These 5 things you require to do this spell, and you have to take your full concentration on that person, and while doing this spell you have to think about that person very deeply. Don't see here and there, don't give your concentration here and there. You should have to concentrate on this spell. So you have to know that person's name. Like for example, her name is Tom and your name is Linda. So you have to write that person's name on the first place. After that you have to make a sign of plus. After that you have to write Linda, and then you have to turn this paper like this. You have to write your name here, Tom, and plus sign as it is on it you make out before. After that you have to write name of year. After that you have turned it like this as it was before. After that you have, if you want to do this, you want that person's love to you, that then you have to write love, 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 love. Don't keep your pen like this when you write it, and you have to make this like that. After that you have to fold this paper towards you. For example, like you can see this like towards you, on your side where you sitting, you have to towards you, and then turn it like this, and after that you have to toward you, and after that you have to toward you. So you have to towards fold these papers towards you for 3 times. 3 times you have to fold this paper towards you. After that you have to open this jar box and after that you have to put that jar, put that paper into that jar. After that you have to keep tight this paper where you write your lover's name. After that you have to do one thing, you have to keep this candle on this box, on this jar box. After that you have to keep this candle on this. After that you have to do this. What you have to do, you have to use this matchbox and burn this candle like this. And after that, when you do that, you burn this candle like this. You have to grab this box very slightly, and you have to give the full concentration, and you have to take your lover's name, Tom loves Linda, like Tom loves Linda. You have to say these words 21 times, and whenever you are going to tell or you are going to do this spell, you have to do it in morning time, because this spell will work instant when you do it in morning time. This is very powerful spell, and you have to give your full concentration to this video after 2 Fridays. For example, if you start it on Friday, then after 2 Fridays it will give you result. If you start it on the Monday, after 2 Monday it will give you result. After you start it like on Wednesday, it will give you result after 2 Wednesday. This is very accurate and powerful spell. You have to do that if you want to get your love back, you want to get control on someone. After that you have to off this candle like this. After that you take your and your lover name. After that you have to off this candle like this. After 2 weeks the person will contact you instant. Thank you to watch this video. Subscribe our channel for more video like this. Like this video. Thank you.